Best multi-position ladders. Trying to paint a stairwell or clean out your gutters with a wobbly, standard step stool is just asking for a broken arm. I bought and tested the top 5 multi-position ladders on the market, so you don't have to waste your money. Let's find the safest, most reliable climbing tool for your next weekend project. Product number 1, Little Giant Velocity M18. When I pulled the M18 out of the box, the thick aluminum felt incredibly solid, but surprisingly lightweight. I noticed immediately how smoothly the rock locks and palm buttons operated when I adjusted the frame. During my weekend testing, I transitioned it from a standard stepladder into a flat wall position to get right up against my living room drywall. It felt totally secure holding my weight while I reached the high corners. Moving it around the driveway was a breeze because the tip and glide wheels took all the strain off my shoulders. I just tilted it back and rolled it right into the garage. If you are an avid painter needing a highly reliable, versatile tool for standard indoor and outdoor chores, this is definitely the one you should grab. If you work on slanted driveways or steep hills, you really need something with adjustable legs instead. Product number 2, Little Giant Ladder Systems Velocity M22. When I set up the M22, the heft of the long aluminum frame felt extremely robust and undeniably professional. I noticed that despite its larger size, the twistable locks made altering the shape remarkably fast. The biggest benefit during my testing was the ratcheting leg levelers. I had to clean out some gutters over a sloping garden bed, and I easily adjusted one leg down 7 inches to create a perfectly flat, safe base. I also absolutely loved the handy tool tray at the top, which securely held my drill and screws so I did not have to climb down constantly. If you are a professional contractor or someone dealing with uneven terrain around your property, this premium model is a fantastic purchase. Sometimes, however, you do not need massive heights, but rather a simple folding setup that stashes easily in your kitchen pantry for quick indoor cleaning jobs today. Product number 3, Shinsun Ho 5-Step Ladder. When I held this compact 5-step model, the lightweight aluminum frame felt incredibly easy to carry around the house. I noticed right away that folding it down to just 2.5 inches thick made slipping it beside my refrigerator effortless. During my testing, the retractable hand grip was my favorite feature. I used it to reach the top shelf of my kitchen cabinets, and holding that top rail gave me wonderful balance and confidence. The widened pedals and thick plastic foot pads completely stopped any sliding, protecting my hardwood floors perfectly from ugly scratches. If you live in a smaller apartment or just need a highly portable tool for routine indoor painting and cleaning, this is definitely the best option for you. For those who need serious height to reach rooftops while maintaining multiple functional shapes, we have an entirely different steel-reinforced beast ready to review today. Product number 4, Bryner 12-foot multi-purpose aluminum ladder. When I unfolded this Bryner unit, the thick aviation-grade aluminum felt remarkably sturdy under my grip. I noticed the upgraded steel joint locks immediately. They are massive compared to standard models and lock with a satisfying, secure click. During my home exterior testing, the real performance truly shined. I extended it to its full 12-foot length to reach my roof, and there was virtually no terrifying wobble. My favorite part is the scaffolding function. I attached the included steel plates to create a flat walkway, allowing me to paint a large section of siding without constantly moving the base. If you need a single, versatile piece of gear that transforms from an extension tool into a stable work platform, buy this. Speaking of versatility, our final pick takes those same converting ideas, but adds an extremely bright safety color for highly active outdoor construction work environments right now. Product number 5, Little Giant Ladders Conquest 17-foot. When I gripped this Conquest model, the thick fiberglass construction felt incredibly heavy-duty and totally shock-resistant. I noticed the high-visibility green color right away, making it impossible to trip over in a messy garage. During my testing, the non-conductive material gave me huge peace of mind while I worked near my electrical panel. My favorite design choice is the narrow extension section. I easily slid the top half straight into my cramped attic access port without scraping the surrounding drywall. Despite the thick fiberglass build, The weight-balanced handle and rolling wheels made hauling it across my yard surprisingly effortless. If you are an electrician or a homeowner doing heavy wiring projects, you must buy this protective fiberglass unit. Now that we have covered all these fantastic climbing options, let us quickly wrap up this detailed tool review for your next weekend home improvement project today. Picking the right ladder completely changes how fast and safe your projects get done. I have dropped links to all 5 of these models in the description below, so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.